Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Hassan from OpenBox and welcome to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Logitech G332 stereo gaming headset. So this headset is made by Logitech for beginners at gaming. So this headset has a 50mm drivers which works on basically almost any console, PC, basically anything with a 50mm head jack. Okay, so these are actually leather headphones, so the head cups are all leather, which some people may like but some people may not. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of like leather on headset, like the Razer Kraken, and also mainly all Logitech, except the Logitech G432, which is actually not. I like also the Steel series up to 7, which you should actually try. It's really nice. Okay, so there's the headset, very weird packaging I guess. So there is also, it's very flimsy, very flimsy. So it would roll around everywhere because the ear cups can go sideways, but not really a big fan of them. This also does have a mic, but it's not detachable, so it'll always be there. It's not, so you can't really take the headphones outside if you want to use them. So there's all the usual paperwork, just a Logitech sticker right there, which is actually quite cool to get. This does not have any RGB lighting on it, so that's quite a letdown, but at the price point, which is £40 right now, it is not really recommended. Alright, so it does come with a quite decent long cable. I wouldn't say it's the longest cable that I've seen on a headset, but it does do the job. So the mic can actually move side to side, but it does not really stay in position, so it's really stuck in one position. So that's quite annoying, and you don't know, because many headsets actually have echo because of these type of mics. I do actually recommend these mainly for consoles, as for console you don't really need surround sound, because that really is mainly on PC. However, it's quite a decent headset. As you can tell, it's adjustable to your head height, I guess, so pretty nice. Alright, as you can tell, there is the headphone volume adjuster, which is actually really different to all the other headsets. Mainly all of them have them on the wire and you get to adjust, but now you just put your hand over your headset and you just roll it back or forward depending on what volume you want. So all these air cups actually can rotate up to 90 degrees, so it's easy to store anywhere or carry around. So as you can tell, it does not really bend that far and does not stay in position. So it's not really where you want it to stay. If you want it to stay closer to your mouth, it does not really. So it just stays at that position. So you just put it up and that's how you can store it. So it does fit really nice on your head, and as you can tell, the mic is quite decent.